The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. I owe my solitude to other people. We cannot be more sensitive to pleasure without being more sensitive to pain. You don't look out there for God, something in the sky, you look in you. The ego is nothing other than the focus of conscious attention. Trying to define yourself is like trying to bite your own teeth. Never pretend to a love which you do not actually feel, for love is not ours to command. But the attitude of faith is to let go, and become open to truth, whatever it might turn out to be. No valid plans for the future can be made by those who have no capacity for living now. Unless one is able to live fully in the present, the future is a hoax. The religious idea of God cannot do full duty for the metaphysical infinity. You are that vast thing that you see far, far off with great telescopes. But to me nothing, the negative, the empty, is exceedingly powerful.